Hi, I'm Mr. Vasicek, or Mr. V for short, and I'd like to talk to you about geometry, the second half, and how you can be successful in this part of the course. The geometry course is set up if you go to Google Classroom and to your class. There's the streaming page, and on the streaming page, I will post a schedule change if there's different from the normal hours here for this period are posted on the front page. But if they're different, I'll post a schedule. Also on the streaming page, I'm going to post my disclosure, which we'll talk about in just a moment. This is what the course is about and how it's graded. And there's a short video here on how to navigate through the course. There's also two links, and these are very important. One is on Desmos. Almost every day, we do a discussion that is based in Desmos. And the Khan Academy assignments are part of the grade. They are scored. They count like a test grade altogether. And so this is the link that you would go to this class in this period in the Khan Academy. And this is this period for the Desmos. So each period is different, but it's all posted on the streaming page. On the classwork page, you'll notice that I post a video. A video is what we've done after we've done the lesson. This is something that a person who's absent or a person who wants to review at a slower pace, perhaps, can look at the video and watch it. And this goes over what we've talked about during the class. There's the lesson, which is in Desmos, and every day there's a homework except for when we have a test. And the homework is done in a platform called Assessments. In this platform, you're given instant feedback as to whether or not you're doing it correctly or not. Now, personally, I'm homework neutral. I don't care whether you do the homework or not. But your grade, which we'll talk about now, the grading is based 100% on the assessments. There are only 3 tests, and then there's the Khan Academy assignments. The 3 tests, if you want to do well on them, you should do the homework because they look like the homework questions. Also, you should participate during class. You should be doing the Desmos. You should be following along and doing it with me. And further, there's the Khan Academy. The Khan Academy, there are tests and quizzes in Khan Academy. They don't count like a real test, but the quizzes are like 5 points each and the tests are 10 points each. Altogether, they make up a test, about a test. So there's really 4 tests. There's 3 tests, and then that's the Khan Academy. You can do the Khan Academy over as many times as you want during the trimester. You should try to do them before we do the unit test on those assignments that are from that unit. But you can redo them during the entire if you don't like your grade, do it again, and I will rescore it with a better grade. My tests, however, I don't do retakes. And that's because the lowest grade that I give is a 50. In order to get a 60, if there's 16 points and you get 4 of them correct, you've got a 60 of passing score. Now, I say that I don't give retakes. I will allow retakes if your parents are advocating for it, and if you've done the homeworks and you've scored at least an 80% on all of the Khan Academies for that unit. I'm not going to allow retakes to say I missed it, so I'm going to do it again. That's not acceptable. So do well. You want to succeed in this class, pay attention in class and follow along, participate, try. Do the homeworks. And when we talk about it the next day, you'll be ready to understand it. And do your Khan Academies. And do them until you get 100% because that will boost your grade. The expectations is that you will be on time, that you'll show respect, and that you'll do your work. If you do these things, you're pretty much guaranteed to have success. And I wish you good luck and success.